tornado.
Emily Sutton, let's take Emily here live. Emily, we see your screen. Go.
I think we have the secondary tornado. Look on our screen. We have the secondary tornado. We're north of Shawnee.
Yes, there's.
You can see it. You can see it spinning. Can you see it?
Yes, we can see it. There are 2 tornadoes on the ground right now. One's.
This has got to be the second one.
Yes, one's northwest of Shawnee. The other one is northeast of Shawnee near the small town of Johnson. The lead storm near Johnson, which is a small town about 5 miles east of the Shawnee Mall. There's another one, though, definitely on the ground, 5 miles northwest of Shawnee. Emily sees it. You're looking at it right there live. Go, Emily.
We are heading towards I-40. We're trying to chase the other one. We look to our left, and I heard the other report that you were saying there's a secondary one. Sure enough, we see now this distinct tornado, not as large as the other one, more of an elephant trunk. It's